In a lush green forest, there lived a huge elephant named Mada. He believed he was the strongest creature in the jungle. With his massive body, he often walked carelessly, never paying attention to the smaller animals around him. One day, while strolling by the river, Mada the elephant accidentally stepped on an anthill. The tiny ants inside scrambled out in panic, for their home had been destroyed.
Elephant! Why did you crush our home?
I didn't even notice your little house. Besides, what can a creature as tiny as you do to me?
Leedy said nothing, but he felt sad seeing his friends lose their home. A few days later, the elephant got stuck in a muddy swamp. He tried hard to escape, but the more he moved, the deeper he sank. He cried out for help, but none of the animals dared to come close. Hearing his cries, the ants hurried over.
Somebody is asking for help!
Let's help him, even though he hurt us before.
Leedy led his colony, and together they gnawed at the roots and dug small channels to let the water out. Slowly, the mud began to dry, and the elephant was able to pull himself free. Ashamed, Mada lowered his head and said,
Little ant, you and your friends are truly strong. I'm sorry for looking down on you.
We may be small, but together we can help even a giant.
From that day on, the elephant became humble and careful, never again underestimating the little creatures of the forest.